this is the cell, and this is the cytoplasm part of the cell, and this is the mitochondria into the cell. Okay, we all know that in the glycolysis glucose convert into pyruvate or pyruvic acid in the cytoplasm or cytosol portion. Next the pyruvate or pyruvic acid enter into the mitochondria. In the mainly inner membrane of the mitochondria, they are the pyruvate, that is Krebs cycle are happen. During this Krebs cycle, NADH2 and FADH2 are released. This NADH and FADH act as a electron carrier. NADH and FADH, which are produced during the Krebs cycle, when NADH or dehydration takes place, then two electrons are released into the complex number 1 of the mitochondrial inner membrane. This is the inner membrane of the mitochondria. This is the intermembrane space, and this is the outer membrane. Okay, and this side is matrix side. Now when the NADH is dehydrated or dehydration takes place, when NADH then transfer into NAD plus, then two electron are released in the complex number 1. This electron transfer into the complex number 3 by the help of ubiquinone. During this time, from the matrix to inner membrane side or inner membrane space, there 4 hydrogen are released. Next, when there's 2 electron from the complex number 3 to complex number 4 transfer by the cytochrome Bc, then again 4 hydrogen ion are released from the matrix side to IMS side, and in the complex number 4, here 2 hydrogen ion are released from the matrix side to IMS side, but left 2 hydrogen ion which bind with the O2 and form the H2O. Okay, in this process the hydrogen ion in the IMS side, intermembrane space side, the hydrogen ion concentration is increase, so the pH level of the IMS decrease. So the positive ion is increase in this side, and the H plus gradient also increase. So here a proton motive force is present in the IMS portion. This H plus ion gradient or proton motive force then produce a chemical ingredient, and also during this situation every cell or organelle want to balance their positive and negative ion balance. Then the here OH minus ion level is, and here H plus ion level is more. So positive side and this is the negative side. So it's the cell want to the balance. So this H plus proton gradient through the ATP synthase come into the matrix side from the IMS side. During this coming or during this process, the H plus ion or proton gradient when come IMS side to matrix side through the ATP synthase, then a proton motive force is introduced. This proton motive force also helps to bind the ADP with the pi and produce the ATP. Also in the beta portion of the ATP synthase. So in this process ATP is synthesized.